Hello, worm people. Welcome back to the Global Wormer channel, home of the Central Florida real urban worm paradise, right? Even the worms love it down here. It's like paradise to them. Beautiful, sunny, 80-some degrees. They're just having little babies, eating, having fun, feeding my plants when I need to be fed. So I think we left off the last video. I was doing an unboxing of the Urban Worm Bag 2.0. And as I promised you guys, I would be doing the assembly. And so today we're doing the assembly. It should only take a few minutes. It's pretty self-explanatory, easy, I think. I don't know. We'll see. So basically, we got our Urban Worm Bag. I forgot to tell you, it's going to be a slight twist, a slight modification, if you will. Uh, Maybe this will go out to Steve from Urban Worm Bag. He can, Urban Worm Bag Company, maybe he can add this to his next prototype. So let's get started. All right, so basically gives you a series of these black pipes here, which I believe I put together here. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, see. Yeah. All right, so, oh, I can't find them here. There are four legs, and the rest of these, they're pretty self-explanatory. They come like this, very easily to snap together. Voila. So basically, first thing I want to do is put these through. It's kind of like putting a tent up almost, I think. And all right, I ain't put a tent up in years, but seems like it's pretty close to putting a tent up. And I take and put an elbow in, 90, 45, 90. What are these? 45s, I guess. So then I'll take another one of these and I'll slip it through here. Pretty self-explanatory again. Pop it down in there like that. And I'll take another one and I'll put it through here. Maybe I'll put it through here. I love it out here. This is beautiful weather. Nothing better than Florida, okay? You can have all that cold New York stuff up there. Yeah, I'll take my sunny paradise. Yes, it gets a little warm in summer. Yes, my worms kind of get a little antsy in this hot summer, but we do our best to keep them happy where they're at, so they won't go and disappear or die on me. So, and let's see, let me get this pointed the right way. Yeah, pop this on here. Voila. Put this one on. Slide it in here. Oops. Slide it in there. Voila. Got the top together, right? Whoops. Dang nabbit. Wow. Don't try this at home. Goodness. Yeah, help if I point them the right way. And of course, I pointed those the wrong way too, didn't I? My goodness. Just twist them. Just twist them. There. There. One urban worm bag. Top is done, all right? Now we get to do the bottom. Bottom's the same way. So you can do this two different ways. I think we could do the legs. Okay, so here's the twist I'm telling you guys about. I added little caster wheels because in order to be a true urban worm farmer usually means you got limited space, right? That's what I got here. I mean, I have my urban worm bag. I have a few bins in the garage, and I have a grow out bin in the atrium, which you guys have seen in past videos. Go check them out. So I got very little room. So the reason why I put these caster wheels on here is so that I can wheel this thing around easier for when it's time to harvest the castings. And it's not stuck on spot because I got to keep moving my stuff around, real, the IRL in real life stuff that I got to do. And these things get pretty bulky, so they get in the way. So this way, I can wheel them around very, very easily. So I pop this on here, add one of these on here, put another wheel. Am I doing that right? Yeah. Nope. You got that right there, mister? Yeah, yeah. Woo, brain fart. All right, see how simple that was? Even though I made it look difficult. And flip it around. Let's do the same thing. Put the legs on. Man, this thing does get big when you put it together, don't it? Okay. Pop one of these on here. Pop another wheel in place. And pop another one of these on here. Getting a little warm in the sun here. This black paint is a little hot, so put one of these on here. Pop them in place that easy. Put this last bar on. Look at that. So simple a crash dummy can do it. That's me. Look. Oh, hello. What did I do there? Oh my. Boy, I just ain't too smart today, am I? There we go. How about that? That works a whole lot better, doesn't it? And these casters even have little brakes on, so you can put little brakes on. But this makes it so much easier when it comes harvest time, like I said, to get the castings out. Just wheel it right in here, wait, get your stuff out, get it out of your way, work on it. So, hey, it's just that simple. Uh, so I'll be coming out with a new video here very, very soon because I need to get this thing in operation here. I'm like needing some castings real, real bad. But so I'm gonna get this thing up and going. Of course, I'll make a video of it, me starting this thing, and then we'll do a progression video of this so you guys can see just how easy it is to be an urban worm farmer, right? And of course, our intentions, if you've watched my past video, is to expand this little urban worm business into something very huge in the future. But for now, where I'm at, I don't have the space for that. But this makes my practice. I have grow bags all over here and stuff of my garden, little garden and stuff. I'm growing my wheatgrass to feed the worms. So, we're doing everything you would do in a bigger a bigger worm farm business, but we're just real condensed right now. So, but we're doing it. We're doing it well. And hey, I'm glad you guys stopped by to watch this video. And please keep in touch. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so that you'll be notified when I start to get this thing in operation. And please hit the subscribe and the like button because it helps my algorithm so I can get these videos out for the people that want to start this urban worm business. So please keep in touch and thank you for stopping by. Have a good day.